Hi friends, Christy here from makingitinthe mountains.com, and today I'm going to take you on a tour of our cozy fall bedroom. Hello again. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am so excited to take you on a tour of our bedroom space all cozied up for fall. So it seems like most of the world is still in summer, but here in northern Alberta it is getting cool and crisp. It is sweater season, boot season. It is most definitely fall. Now I know there's a lot of people out there not ready to let go of summer, but I have to say I am so excited to see fall rolling in. Fall is my absolute favorite season. I love everything about it, from sweaters and scarves to the colors I see outside, and of course pumpkin spice, everything. Our mornings especially are growing really crisp and cool. We've even had frost a couple of times now. The garden is all cleaned out. All of the summer decor is put away, and I am pulling out all things fall. And with things cooling down, I am craving everything cozy. So even though it's still early days of fall, I am bringing in all sorts of cozy touches, and I am starting in our bedroom space. Now, switching decor between seasons doesn't have to take a lot of effort or a lot of money. It took me just a few minutes to turn our light and airy summer bedroom into a cozy, warm space for fall. By switching out a couple of pillows, bringing in some candles and some warmer textures, our bedroom space is feeling so cozy just in time for fall. So join me today, friends, as I take you on a tour of our bedroom space, all warm and cozy for fall. Okay, friends, welcome to our cozy fall bedroom space. So, priority number one was creating a warm and cozy nest to crawl into at the end of a long day. With the unpredictable temperatures this time of year, it is all about layers. So I started with the softest set of flannel sheets, threw a nice lightweight linen quilt on top, and finally I've got a big fluffy duvet folded at the end of our bed for those really cold nights. With the bed all cozied up, it was time to bring some other fall decor elements into the space to help really make things feel warm and cozy. I absolutely adore decorating with olive plants this time of year. Whether real or faux, I think their moody green tones bring so much warmth to the space. I love the way those natural greens pop against all of my neutral creams and whites in the space. Now, it's still early days of fall around here, and there are no real pumpkins to be found anywhere around right now. Luckily, I've got the most beautiful collection of faux pumpkins that are just perfect for this time of year. Mercury glass, twine, and fabric all come together to bring all sorts of rich texture to this space. And of course, nothing says fall more than some cozy, pumpkin-scented candles. With fall schedules ramping up, it was really important to me to keep things simple this year. I think this cozy space just goes to show you that seasonal decor doesn't have to be elaborate or expensive to really make an impact. I really hope this space leaves you feeling inspired to bring some simple touches into your home to help cozy up for fall. I want to give a huge shout out to my amazing friend Christina at the DIY Mommy for hosting this fall DIY and Decor challenge. Be sure to check out all of the other fabulous fall DIY and decor ideas shared through the playlist linked up in the description box below. Alright friends, I hope you enjoyed that fall bedroom tour. If you like this video, I'd love for you to give it a thumbs up below and subscribe to my channel for even more farmhouse style DIY, decor, and recipe ideas. Thanks so much!